determine the length and quantity of Christmas lights needed, firstly, measure tree heights. Use a ladder or tape measure to determine the height of each tree. Secondly, estimate light density. The number of lights per foot of tree height will determine the density of the display. A general rule of thumb is to use 100 to 150 lights per foot for a dense display, 75 to 100 lights per foot for a moderate display, or 50 to 75 lights per foot for a sparse display. Thirdly, calculate the light length. Multiply the tree height by the desired light density to estimate the total light length needed per tree. For example, a 20-foot tree with a moderate density of 100 lights per foot would require 2,000 feet of lights, calculated as 20 feet times 100 lights per foot. Fourthly, determine string lengths and quantities. Typically, Christmas lights come in pre-cut strings with varying lengths. Select the string length that is closest to the calculated light length. Divide the total light length by the string length to determine the number of strings needed per tree. For example, if you calculated 2,000 feet of lights and selected a 500-foot string length, you would need 4 strings calculated as 2,000 feet divided by 500 feet. Additional tips include considering the tree shape when estimating light density. Wider trees may require more lights to achieve a balanced look. Use a variety of string lengths to create a visually appealing effect. Test the lights before hanging them to ensure they are working properly. Use zip ties or other fasteners to securely attach the lights to the tree. Allow for extra slack in the wires to prevent tearing or damage. Create a lighting plan before hanging the lights to ensure an even distribution and avoid overlaps or gaps. Remember that the length of the tree and the desired display density will determine the quantity and length of lights required.